Hi everybody, CANNABEARD Grows here. How the heck are you doing today? I hope you're all well. I do. So, the MARSHYDRO giveaway from my 50,000 subscriber special the winner has still not claimed their prize. Has not had any contact with me. So, I'm here once again to remind you, let me pull the image up here. Matthew, right here. Please get a hold of me. You've got 1 week left to get a hold of me, and then I've given you an entire month. And if I don't hear from you by the end of 1 week from today, the time when this episode comes out, if I don't hear from you, I'm gonna re-roll the winner and give it away to someone else. So I hope you get a hold of me soon, or I'm gonna pass it along. So yeah, big thank you once again to MARSHYDRO for sponsoring my channel and helping me out and giving away cool stuff like these lights to you guys and stuff like that, and just in general being awesome and being very helpful to my channel and my growing efforts. So thank you, MARSHYDRO. I love your lights. Use my name as a code. Save yourself a couple of bucks off of stuff that you're probably gonna buy already. Everybody uses MARSHYDRO already, so you might as well save a couple of bucks. On that note, I want a quick recap of what's happening right now. The drywall fella in my grow room is coming in today, as a matter of fact, and starting the process. I'm assuming it's only going to be a day or two project, a day or two's work. So, fingers crossed, I'll be able to start my grow this week. For anybody that doesn't know quite what I'm talking about, we had a plumbing mishap in the plumbing closet, which is in my grow room, and we need to bust out a wall and do some renovations and stuff. We had a leak, and it caused some damage, so we're gonna fix it. We're getting it fixed, and I can't grow until then because it's right in the smack dab middle of my grow room, and I just don't want the airborne particles. I don't want mold possibilities. I don't want anything weird floating around in the air. I'm just going to wait until it's done, and then I'm going to super scrub the room down, clean it up, and then we can start to grow. Anyway, that's starting today. That process is starting today. The drywall fella's coming in, and going to rip that chunk out, and hopefully it'll only be a few days. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Anyway, that's about it. I just had a quick little update. Nothing huge, nothing dramatic. I just wanted to give... once again here, Matthew, a final warning. Please get a hold of me or you're going to miss out on the light, my friend. If you don't, as I said, I will re-roll a new name, or I will make a new quick little contest or something for people to re-enter or something like that. Anyway, have a good one, folks. I'll see you really soon. I'll probably see you sooner if you hang out with me on Twitch. Otherwise, I'll see you in a couple of days. Cheers.